Flour cake, we need 4 eggs with egg yolk and egg white separated, 4 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of rice flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and 4 tablespoons of oil and 4 tablespoon milk. First, in a bowl, we add in the egg whites, and with the help of an electric beater, we need to blend this, whisk it nicely till it turns out nice and fluffy, and then you need to keep it aside. Once that's done, you take another bowl and add in the rice flour, add in baking powder to it and mix it well, and next add in the cocoa powder and again mix it well, and next add in powdered sugar, 1 full cup of powdered sugar, and give it a nice mix. Next add in the egg yolks and oil and milk and mix everything well. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and after that you need to add in the egg whites and mix it gently, not vigorously, as egg whites make the cake soft. Once everything is mixed nicely, you need to pour it into a greased mold. I've used a 7-inch round mold, and place this in a preheated oven at 180 degree for 30 to 35 minutes. And you can see my cake is ready. It has turned out nice and soft, and you can use whatever decoration you want. I've used chocolate ganache and buttercream. Do try out this gluten-free rice flour cake, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.